can see, now this sofa is super clean. So after I've cleaned it like this. So after cleaning, I normally leave it in the yard to air out. Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. In today's video, I'll be super cleaning this sofa over here. And I'll be using a dry and wet vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, this sofa is dirty. See, all these are stains. Yeah? Now I'm saying all these are stains. You don't have to see these. So I'll be cleaning it to make it super clean. So you can see, all these are stains. So, and also here, but we're going to make it super clean.
Now the cushion covers are already in the washing machine, in the Samsung washing machine, and they will also be super clean. Now for this cleaning exercise, I'll be using a towel. My cleaning solution is made up of warm water and baking soda. Then I'll be having a brush, and I'll be using this dry and wet vacuum cleaner. Now the dry and wet vacuum cleaner is excellent for this exercise because it's going to remove the dust, and at the same time it's going to remove all the water from the fabric.
So I'm only using natural substance. Like now this one is bicarbonate of soda, or rather you can call it baking soda. So now this one, I just sprinkle it. You know, the baking soda, what it does, it brings out all the dirt to the surface of the sofa. It's very, very important. So just spread all the surface. Like this. Then when I do like this, I let it rest for like 20 to 30 minutes. After that, all the dust will come to the surface.
And if you have sensitive skin, consider using gloves because you see baking soda has a pH of 9 vis-a-vis the 5.5 of the hand, so it could be sensitive to some people's skin.
You know, this is a fabric sofa, and it's cream in color, so it shows that. But after cleaning, this will look good.
As you can see, because of the baking soda, all the dirt has popped up to the surface. Now it will be very easy. I just need to use the vacuum cleaner to vacuum all the dust from the sofa, and it will be very, very, very clean. Yeah, you will see a very big difference. After vacuuming the sofa successfully, now I just need to use my cleaning solution. This cleaning solution, I made it out of water and baking soda. So I'm just going to sprinkle on the sofa, all around everyone this sofa. Now it's time to use the brush. I just work around on all the surface of the sofa. Now it's time to use the towel to clean the sofa. I just clean all the surface everywhere, slowly but steadily, making sure that I'm removing all the dirt from the sofa. No stain will remain. I make sure everything is clean, 100% clean. Looks super good at the end of the exercise. As I mentioned earlier, this dry and wet vacuum cleaner is the best for this exercise. Now I just change the filter and I'm ready to use this vacuum cleaner to remove all the water from the sofa. I'm even changing the upholstery attachment from the dry one to the wet, which is excellent for this exercise. A vacuum cleaner is suitable for dry cleaning the sofa from dust and debris. If you choose a quality device, it will help you get rid of dust, mites, and animal fur, which is good.
As you can see, now this sofa is super clean. So after I've cleaned it like this. So after cleaning, I normally leave it in the yard to air out. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Also, give this video a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye.